Okay, good morning student. So welcome to again lecture series for the class of the TYBSc Physics. The subject is the atom and molecule physics. We have to see here the chapter is the atomic structure. Okay, so summary of the last lecture we have to discuss here. There are the according to the quantum mechanics, there are four different quantum numbers which are principal quantum number, so that is n, orbital quantum number which is given by l, small l. After that the orbital magnetic quantum number, that is ml, and spin magnetic quantum number ms. So summary of the last lecture we have to see there the principal quantum number n. So that principal quantum number n specifies the orbit number, that is n, and also gives the idea of the orbital number as well as size of the orbit and energy of the orbit, that depends on the principal quantum number. So that is you have to give by the formula of Rn is equal to epsilon naught n square h square divided by pi m e square. So that shows that your size of the orbit is depends on the n square. So that is Rn is directly proportional to the n square, and the energy of an orbit is depends on the inversely proportional to the n square, that is 1 upon n square. So this relation see in the last lecture. After that we have considered the orbital quantum number, that is small l. That quantum number arises due to the orbital motion of an electron. So that given by the classical mechanics, L bar is equal to m into v cross r bar. But in according to the quantum mechanics, the Bohr's second postulate gives the orbital angular momentum of L bar of an electron is equal to the integral multiple of value of h upon 2 pi, and that gives the relation, that is angular momentum L bar is equal to integral multiple of h upon 2 pi, and we have to see the value of L is running from 0, 1, 2 up to the n minus 1. So that is n is the principal quantum number. If we have take for example n is equal to 1, so 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, so gives the L value orbital quantum number is 0. For example n is equal to 2, so 2 minus 1 is 1, so L take has the 2 value, that L is equal to 0 and L is equal to 1, and depends on the which cell has correspond to the K shell or L shell or M shell or corresponding subshell. So that point see in the last lecture. So in this lecture we want to see the next point, which is the orbital magnetic quantum number, which is denoted by ml, so m suffix l. Okay, so that is given by the theory of, for example, if the atom is placed in the external magnetic field h bar. Okay, so what happens there? If atom is placed in the external magnetic field, the orbital angular momentum of L bar of an electron interact with the applied magnetic field h bar. So that your orbital angular momentum L bar, if the atom is placed in the external magnetic field, that L bar is interacts with the external magnetic field h bar, and that according to the quantum mechanics, the quantization of direction of L along the direction of discrete quantization, and that magnetic field along the z axis is given by the component of the z axis Lz is given by ml into h upon 2 pi. Okay, so that the atom is placed in weak magnetic field, which is noted as the h bar. So that h bar is acting on the vertical axis, that is considered as the z axis, which is fixed in the upward direction. So that orbital angular momentum of L bar, that is interacts with this external magnetic field applied from z axis, so that L bar is interact with this external magnetic field, and that according to the quantum mechanics, the quantization of direction of L bar takes the discrete manner. So because we have to know that in by quantum mechanics, that what is the amount of energy, that is energy or applied potential, that is potential energy is 0 or above the energy state, that depends upon that your state is given the discrete or the continuous state. So in this state is your discrete state, that is known as your potential energy is minimum, and that the component of L bar along the direction of the external magnetic field along the z axis is given by the formula Lz is equal to ml into h upon 2 pi. Okay, so we have to see here that is ml is the orbital magnetic angular momentum or orbital magnetic quantum number. So what is the value of orbital magnetic quantum number? Okay, see here, for example, suppose see the value of n is depends upon or running from the natural number 1 to 3 up to the infinity, and value of orbital quantum number L is given by 0 to n minus 1, and that orbital magnetic quantum number value of ml is depends upon the orientation numbers twice L plus 1, and also depends upon the orbital quantum number. So for example, that is n is given, the value is 1 2 3 up to the infinity for the principal quantum number, and depends on this your orbital quantum number gives the value of 0 1 2 up to the n minus 1. Okay, this is principal quantum number. For example, see here, for n is equal to 1, so what is the value of L? For example, n is equal to 2, correct? So what is the value of L? So L is equal, so what is value, that L is equal to 0 to n minus 1. Here n value is what, 2, so 2 minus 1 is how much, 1, so that is L is equal to 0 comma 1, that how L takes the 2 value, and depends on this L you want to get calculate or obtain the magnetic orbital or orbital magnetic quantum number. So that ml value is given by this value is 0 to n minus 1, and that ml value is depends on minus L comma minus L plus 1 comma up to 0 comma L plus 1 or L. So that orbital magnetic quantum number value is obtained or going from this manner, or that depends upon also the orientations numbers. So for example, give here L is equal to 2 is here. So what is the value of ml? So that ml is equal to this manner, minus 2 comma minus 2 plus 1 comma 0 comma L plus 1, that is not L plus 1, that is L minus 1, 2 minus 1, and L value is 2. So that gives the value minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 2. So that gives the orbital magnetic value is the minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Okay, and if you want give the greater number of L, suppose L is equal to 4, 5, so roughly calculated, so how much times this orientations or phase quantization number is obtained, or roughly figure will be give the formula on the orientation formula. So that is orientations or orientation number is equal to 2L plus 1. So for example, if you want to calculate how much number is ml is there, so that gives here 2 into L value is how much, that is 2 plus 1, so 2 into 2 4 plus 1, so that is equal to 5. So that is there are total 5 numbers of orientation ml value is there. So that is the basic idea about this. So we want to calculate the ml value. So we have to see here the precision diagram or figure of L bar along the H bar, or which is interact with the H bar. For example, this is the electron plane of electron, moving electron, so that is considered as this, correct. Suppose this is your positive charge nucleus, which has consider the plus charge, which have considered the nucleus Ze, and suppose this is moving electron in the shell, so that is electron. Okay, so that consider the theory according to the magnetic quantum number, orbital magnetic quantum number, that atom placed in the external magnetic field. So that atom placed in the external magnetic field, so that magnetic field is along the z axis, correct. So z axis, and your magnetic field is the h bar along z axis. So that angular momentum is interact with the external magnetic field. So given that angular momentum, that is given as L bar, which is interact with external magnetic field, and gives the precession angle is given by the alpha. Okay, and if we consider that precession of L along this external magnetic field, so that is considered as, so like this, so that is in the conical shape. And if we see the imaginary structure draw here, so consider the precision of this angular momentum with respect to interact with the external magnetic field like this. And this is considered as the Lz, that is projection axis, that is Lz, or precession along the H bar is given by the Lz is equal to ml into h upon 2 pi. Okay, and you know that, so that is Lz is equal to ml into h upon 2 pi. So that is given by h bar is equal to h upon 2 pi. So that Lz is given by ml into h cross, correct. So this is vector L bar lies on the figure. Vector L bar lies on the surface of cone and precesses about H bar. Surface of cone and precesses H bar. Okay, so if we see, shows that for given L, that is the orientation number is the 2L plus 1. So the possible orientations of electron orbit in the space with respect to the magnetic direction, so this is known as the space quantization. So what is mean that the possible orientation of the electron orbit in space with respect to external magnetic field H, so field direction, so this is known as the space quantization, and that the angle between L and LZ is given by the angle between L and LZ is given by the cos alpha is equal to LZ upon mod of L. Correct. So we have give here, so LZ value is ml into h upon 2 pi or ml into h cross or mod of L bar, that values gives under root of L into L plus 1 into h upon 2 pi. So this h upon 2 pi and this h upon 2 pi, that value get cancelled. So remaining factor is the ml upon under root of L into L plus 1. So this is the angle between the L and LZ. So if we see, for example, the value of L taken is different 0, 1, 2, 3. So what is the value of ml and LZ? So the orbital quantum number for L is equal to, if 0, then what is the value of ml? So ml is equal to also 0, and if L is equal to 0, ml is equal to 0, so LZ value is also 0, because LZ is equal to ml into h upon 2 pi, or that is ml h cross. Correct. So that is, if L is equal to 0, then L value, ml value also 0, and that's why LZ value is also 0. And if we have to take here, for example, L value is equal to 1. Correct. So if small l, that is orbital quantum number, is 1, so then ml value is given by -1, 0 and +1. So that have here gives 3 possible discrete value, or gives the 3 discrete possible orientations. Gives 3 possible orientations of L bar in space. Correct. So if give here, for example, L is equal to 2, So quantum orbital quantum number gives 2, then ml value gives how much? So that is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2, and that Lz gives the value of minus 2 h cross, minus h cross, 0, plus h cross, plus 2 h cross. So that gives 5 discrete possible orientations of L bar in space. Okay, so this is the idea about the calculate the value of the L, ML, and the gives the possible discrete orientations of Lz is given as this discrete manner. So now next point we have seen here the spin magnetic quantum number. The spin magnetic quantum number. So this is, first of all we have to see here, according to quantum mechanics only 3 quantum number is there. So that is the principal quantum number, orbital quantum number, and orbital magnetic quantum number. But according to the spin theory, S. Goudsmit and Ulembeck, G. Goudsmit and S. Ulembeck have provided the theory of spin quantization. So that gives the spin quantum number, and this is the fourth extra additional quantum number, which is spin magnetic quantum number, and that spin magnetic quantum number have gives the value that S is equal to half, and the orientations of this S value is plus half and minus half, plus half spin for the up state and minus half spin for the down state. So we have to see the spin magnetic quantum number, that is fourth quantum number, is given by spin magnetic quantum number, which is denoted by m suffix x, that is the S. So that is spin magnetic quantum number ms is due to the electron spin, which is considered to be the intrinsic property of electron. The spin magnetic quantum number magnetic quantum number ms is due to the electron spin, is due to the electron spin, which is considered to be intrinsic property of electron. Okay, so that spin angular momentum of an electron gives the formula that spin angular momentum, which is denoted by capital S bar, and that S bar gives the formula under root of S into S plus 1 into h upon 2 pi, and that h upon 2 pi is nothing but the h cross that s bar is equal to under root of s into s plus 1 h cross. Okay, and that spin angular momentum gives the value that is s bar is equal to half. Okay, and the spin angular momentum of s bar is also quantized like L bar in the space quantization. So it has two orientation with respect to the applied external magnetic field component of s bar along the field direction, so that is sz. So like in orbital magnetic quantum number, the component of orbital angular momentum with direction of Lz, similarly here the component of s bar, the component of s bar is along the field direction is given by sz is equal to ms into h upon 2 pi. Okay, and that ms is called the spin magnetic quantum number. Spin magnetic quantum number, and the value of ms is equal to what? So the values of ms, so ms is equal to plus half, and that ms is equal to plus half, that correspond to the spin up, and the value of ms is equal to minus half, which corresponds to the spin down. Okay, so that is spin up direction and this is spin down direction. So that is the next figure represent the vector diagram for two allowed orientations of the spin s. That is, you have to know that is two orientations, that is plus ms is equal to plus half and ms is equal to minus half. So gives the space quantization diagram, that is the orientation of the spin value. So that is two possible orientation of s bar. So this is the z axis, which is along fixed axis with external magnetic field is applied. So that is z axis. Okay, and which is has given from this point. So starting from this middle point, so plus half and minus half directions. So that is orientation like this. So this is the value of, that is ms is equal to minus half, and this orientation gives the value of ms is equal to plus half. Okay, so that is figure is given by two possible orientations of S or MS. Okay, so this is the idea about the spin magnetic quantum number, that MS, that gives the value is the plus half and minus half. Next quantum number, that is fifth quantum number, which is the combination of the magnetic quantum number, spin magnetic quantum number, and orbital magnetic quantum number. So that is the total angular momentum of an electron is vector sum of orbital angular momentum and spin angular momentum, and which is denoted by capital J. So next, this is the main point, so that is total angular momentum, total angular momentum, which is denoted by capital J, and the total angular momentum of an electron, total angular momentum of an electron is the vector sum of the vector sum of orbital angular momentum angular momentum and spin angular momentum. So that is L and S. So numerically it is represented by small j is equal to L plus or minus S. So J is equal to orbital angular momentum, so that is small l plus or minus spin angular momentum, that is S, because this spin angular momentum has two value, plus or minus half. So that is written in the form of, so that is small j is equal to L plus or minus half. Okay, and according to the quantum mechanics, total angular momentum of an electron, according to quantum mechanics, so total angular momentum of j bar is given as, that is j is equal to under root of j into, this is small j, so small j is the total angular momentum quantum number, so total quantum number, so j into j plus 1 into h upon 2 pi, so that is given as j is equal to under root of j into j plus 1 into h bar. Okay, and that is j is called the total angular momentum. Okay, so for example, if we see here L is equal to 1, correct, and S value is given by plus half and minus half. So we want to calculate the this angular momentum, that J is equal to L value is plus or minus half. So this gives the value, so that is how much 1 plus half is equal to how much 2 1 plus this, that is 3 by 2, and 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 2 minus 1, so that is given as the 1 by 2. So gives the value 3 by 2 and 1 by 2, that is the possible J value is given by J is equal to 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. Okay, so if we calculate the total angular momentum of that J values, so that is given by small j is equal to plus 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. So J given the value of 3 by 2 is equal to under root of j into j plus 1. So that is J value is given by 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 plus 1 into h upon 2 pi. So that is given by under root of 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 plus 1. So 2 3 plus 2, that is 5 by 2, and that is given by 3 into 5, that is 15. So under root of 15 by 4 h upon 2 pi, and that is given by the under root of 15 by 2, or h upon 2 pi is nothing but the h cross. This is the j corresponding to the 3 by 2, and if we calculate for small j is equal to half. Okay, so that j is equal to half, so that is capital J is equal to under root of 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 h cross. So that is given by 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2 into 1 by 2, so that is under root of 3 by 4 h cross. So that is given by under root of 3 divided by 2 h bar. So that is the total angular momentum with corresponding J value. So that is we have to complete here the 4 quantum number, or last additional is 5 total, sorry, the principal quantum number n, orbital quantum number L, orbital magnetic quantum number ml, spin magnetic quantum number ms, and total quantum number, that is given by the total angular momentum, that is given by the plus j. So now next lecture we want to see here the atomic excitation and the atomic spectra and Frank's Hurt experiment. So thanking of you.